Okay, we start off by looking at the cosine rule in a very special case when one of the angles is a right angle. You see, the cosine rule is a rule for general triangles. But as we can see, angle A is 90 degrees when you have a right angle triangle. And of course the cos of 90 degrees, so you can check this on your calculator, the cos of 90 is 0. So what we have Pythagoras' theorem. However, in a general triangle, there's no such thing as being guaranteed that you'll have a right angle triangle. It's a very special case. And so this is the general form. Now let's blow it up and take a closer look at the workings. So we can use, and what we're going to demonstrate here is how to use the cosine rule, as written here, that the square on any side is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides minus a correction term, and that correction term is, or you can say plus a correction term. The correcting term is minus double b times c. These will be positive. This will definitely be negative, and cos can be positive or negative. So as we make let's angle A, or angle C, where's angle C? As we let this angle here anyway, angle A, get bigger than 90, this length will be bigger than it would have been if you had 90 degrees. See, as I go further on from here, this is becoming longer. The reason is you're getting a minus times a minus is plus. So you want to understand how this corrects for when you go to an obtuse triangle, and understand how it corrects for when you go to an acute triangle, not right angle triangle. Because what you're doing then is you're subtracting a bit from this, because A isn't quite as long as it would be here. Okay? As I go here, A is getting shorter. So the thing is, the mathematics of cosine, how it changes sign, means that we can just stick to the one formula. Okay, so to understand when to use the cosine rule, you'll always want to have an included angle between two known sides. Okay, and you see that all three letters are involved. So I wouldn't be thinking, just in terms of the pairings, I wouldn't be looking at the pairings so much as any two sides and included angle allow you to calculate the other side. That's the simplest way of thinking of it. The two blue sides and their included angle allow you to get the opposite side to that included angle. And you just sub in values. Okay, calculate and go on then to isolate A. It's that easy. Thank you.